Hello everyone, nice to see you again. In this video, we are talking about the rate of concrete. What is the rate of concrete? And what the M2025 means? Let's find out together. The rate of concrete. Definition. The rate of concrete is the designation of concrete according to its compressive strength. Concrete rates are denoted by M20, M25 according to their compressive strength. XX, example M20, M25, etc. The M denotes mixed design of concrete followed by the compressive strength number in Newton per mm square meter at 28 days, and XX. It means that the concrete had XX Newton per mm square meter characteristic compressive strength at 28 days. The M is mean mixed ratio. It means cement, sand, aggregate ratio. And XX is compressive strength Newton per mm square meter. It means MPa. Now look at this table. Concrete grade M5 with ratio 1:5:10 is 5 MPa. M7.5 with ratio 1:4:8 is 7.5 MPa. M10 with ratio 1:3:6 is 10 MPa. M15 with ratio 1:4 is 15 MPa. M20 with ratio 1:5:3 is 20 MPa. And M25 with ratio 1:2 is 20 MPa. 25 MPa. This table following the IS 456-2000 standard. Now we are example for M25 ratio. Look at this ratio: cement, sand, and aggregate. The ratio cement 1, the sand 1, and aggregate 2. We're mixing together and we have a cubic meter of concrete 25 MPa. After 28 day curing, we will take the sample go to testing. It's compressive strength testing. It will be have two options. Option 1 is will pass if sample broken with compressive strength over 25 Newton per mm square meter. And option 2 failed if sample broken with compressive strength under 25 Newton per mm square meter. It will be failed. Now we are talking about strength and age of concrete. Look at the chart. The typical strength gain curve. This concrete chart shows that the intensity grows very fast in the first 3 days, reaching 40% intensity. By 7 days, concrete reaches 60% intensity and reaches about 100% strength after full 28 days. That is the reason why the strength of concrete starting after 28 days. And looking at this chart, we'll also explain why it's necessary to watering maintaining in the first 3 days after casting concrete. For the quality of concrete, we are remember the first 3 days need to watering. If you see this video helpful, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you and enjoy watching.